Transfer screenshots and screen recordings from VIVE Focus Vision to your PC to preserve and relive your VR experiences. Plus, you can copy videos from your PC to your headset so you can watch them in VR. We'll show you how in this video. First, turn on your headset and connect it to your PC with a USB cable. Then put on your headset. The Choose USB Mode dialog will appear. Select File Transfer. Take off your headset. On your PC, open a file management app and then click VIVE Focus Vision. Double-click Internal Shared Storage. To copy screenshots, go to Pictures and then Screenshots. For screen recordings, go to Movies and then Screen Recorder. Select the files you want to copy and then copy them to a folder on your PC. To copy videos from your PC to the headset, copy them to one of the folders in Internal Shared Storage. Or, if your headset has a micro SD card installed, you can choose to copy your videos to it. VIVE Focus Vision supports up to 2 terabytes of expandable storage. To copy videos from your PC to your headset storage card, first, select the videos you want to watch on your headset. Then click VIVE Focus Vision on your file browser and select the storage card. Copy the videos to the storage card. You can then use an app like VIVE Video to watch your videos on the headset. If you have a Mac, you'll need a file transfer tool such as Android File Transfer to transfer files to and from the headset. Visit the Android website for more information. When you're done, disconnect the headset from your PC. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer files between the headset and your PC.